In a world that's always moving forward, how do you find balance? How do you embrace progress without sacrificing what you value most? At Volvo Cars, we believe the answer lies in thoughtful innovation. Introducing the new Volvo XC70, our first long-range plug-in hybrid designed to be the perfect bridge to an electrified future. It's for those who desire the benefits of electric driving blended seamlessly with the freedom of a traditional engine. Imagine driving over 200 kilometers on pure electricity. That's the impressive CLTC tested range of the new XC70, the longest of any Volvo plug-in hybrid to date. Enjoy your daily commutes free of tailpipe emissions and with significantly reduced running costs. And when longer adventures call, the efficient combustion engine extends your journey to over 1,200 kilometers without needing to refuel or recharge. Life moves fast, and so does the XC70. With fast charging technology, you can go from 0 to 80% in just 23 minutes. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The XC70 features bidirectional charging, turning your car into a mobile power bank perfect for camping or powering your outdoor devices. From its strong stance to its distinct features, the XC70 embodies modern Scandinavian design. A calm confidence, rational simplicity. Notice the shield-like closed grille echoing our fully electric models and the active grille shutter that optimizes aerodynamics. At the rear, the vertical C-shaped taillights integrate smoothly, creating a sleek, contemporary look. It's a design that's both eye-catching and functional. Step inside and you'll feel right at home. The spacious cabin, with its clean design and high-quality materials, offers premium comfort for everyone. Our fast, intelligent infotainment system with an AI-powered voice assistant keeps you connected effortlessly. The crisp 12.3-inch driver display and large 15.4-inch center screen present information intuitively and for an even more immersive experience. An optional 92-inch augmented reality head-up display. Beyond comfort, the XC70 delivers exhilarating performance. Its well-tuned chassis and all-wheel drive capability ensure a smooth, enjoyable, and confident drive even in challenging conditions. And with Volvo's safe space technology, you're surrounded by advanced radars, cameras, and sensors, continuously monitoring surroundings, helping to avoid or mitigate collisions. Features like door opening alert protect not just you, but those around you. The new XC70 is more than an SUV. It's a commitment to a more comfortable, relaxed, and electrified lifestyle. As Håkan Samuelsson, President and Chief Executive of Volvo Cars, says, it is a cornerstone of our electrified product portfolio, a bridge to fully electric cars for our customers. Production is underway, and the new Volvo XC70 is available for pre-order in China now, with Europe to follow. Discover the future of driving today.